Yeah, you know how I'm coming. They know how I'm coming. Hey, look.
Hey you guys, today I have Outre Sleek and Slay Elmirah, 34 inches, and she is supposed to be a flat finish. She is 5-inch reporting, and she comes with pre-baby hairs already. I will say that the hairline I did not pluck, you guys. I'm going to show like a little TikTok that I did. That's how it comes. I was very disappointed in the cap construction. As you can see the tracks on the side, and it doesn't give you that much lace. So even if I wanted to pluck it, I couldn't pluck it. It comes with your standard cap construction. This is what the lace looks like, but I just brushed it back and just cut it off. I only had a little bit. I tried to show y'all my baby hairs, but for some reason my iMovie is acting up, so you just want to follow my TikTok to show, so you can see how I did everything. And I'm just showing you guys how I basically just customized it. But I'm just want to talk about the wig. First of all, it is not 34 inches. Trust me, I am a girl that wear inches. This is not 34 inches. I give it 28 to 30 inches. That's one. Two, like I said, I was disappointed in the cap construction. You can see a little bit of the tracks on the side. She was easy to customize. She is a gorgeous unit. She does get like a little stringy a little bit once I flat iron her, but she needed flat iron because she needed to be tamed, because for some reason, even though I did not pluck her, she was still tangling a little bit. I don't know what Outre is doing with their quality, but they need to get it together. Would I advise purchasing this unit? I mean, she's a cute little look, but they need to lower the price on this. I gotta insert how much I paid for it, and you're basically paying for how long it is. I might try to get it again in a neutral color, but this red is fire. Any red velvet in this collection they have is fire. But yeah, other than that, I think she's cute. She's a little look. I need you guys to follow my TikTok. She's actually at 100K views on there. And until next time, I will see you guys. Deuces, y'all.